If you want to continue to see your business grow year after year, you have to be able to attract highly talented employees who provide the foundational support you need as you continue to accelerate the success of your business. The only way to do this is through a two-step process, with the first step being you leveraging the 4 types of your intuition to trust that those you hire are the right ones to fill the roles they are applying for. And once hired, the second step is that you being able to show them that you really care about their success in both the short and long term, which then has their 4 types of intuition trusting you, knowing that you value them as an employee. This two-step process is actually what is done for those going through the intuitive branding process, with the first step having them making sure that those they hire have shown that they have the skills required for the position and that they resonate with your brand's mission, vision, and core values. The second step has them making sure that those who are hired know exactly what the expectations are in their roles, how these expectations are measured, and support and feedback given to them to make sure that they are able to find success in their roles and responsibilities in both the short and long term. Going through this two-step process creates a sense of trust in your brand that attracts highly talented employees, with them intuitively wanting to see your business succeed, both in the good and bad times. Christina Harbridge needed this type of support from her employees at a time when her business was on the edge of being shut down. Because she took the time to develop a sense of trust with her employees, it was her employees who came together as a team to help get her out of this almost fateful situation.
I had started a debt collection company, collecting debt by being nice, because I couldn't believe how horrible the industry was, yelling at people. So I wanted millions of phone calls to be made in a positive way, and I thought that would make a really positive impact on the world. We helped people get jobs, we got invited to weddings, we collected 3 times more, people brought their kids in to meet their bill collector. We changed the whole relationship to be positive, and we just helped people. And we were sued, a multi-million-dollar class action lawsuit by a dude, attorney. This is what the lawsuit said. By being nice, we are beguiling people into paying when they otherwise wouldn't. Therefore, it's a deceptive practice. I was a tiny company and I was in trouble because I couldn't pay my deductible for the attorney. This is a huge deal, this lawsuit. And my team, I got together and I told everyone what was happening. I said, I don't know if we're going to make it. Everybody just rallied around this concept of being nice and tripled down on it. We created all these additional things we would do. That was the best 6 months of our company. And this attorney heard about it, and the industry got behind me and supported me. And we ended up in the media, and I got so many clients from it. Ended up being the best thing that ever happened to our company because it made us even more nice.
Making sure that you leverage the 4 types of your intuition to develop a sense of trust in your brand will help you attract highly talented employees who will naturally be motivated to perform at a high level, making it much easier to accelerate the success of your business. If you ignore your intuition when trying to hire people for your team, you start to bring on those who don't really care for your brand, leaving you dealing with one problem after another that eventually costs your business a lot of money. But caring for your brand is driven by a sense of trust, with you being a representation of your brand. If people don't trust you, then they will never trust your brand, which is why you should never try and be someone else in any situation that you're in. Steve Sims found this out the hard way after he thought he needed to fit in during an event he put on. How he changed that got him to feel really inauthentic when meeting world-famous actors Arnold Schwarzenegger and Sylvester Stallone at his own event can be seen by watching this video.